If you've ever worked in an office and logged into a computer with a username and password, chances are Active Directory was working behind the scenes to let you in. But what exactly is it, and why do IT professionals need to understand it? In this video, we're breaking down Active Directory in plain English, no jargon, no fluff. Whether you're studying for a Microsoft certification or just want to level up your IT knowledge, stick around. Active Directory, or AD, is a directory service developed by Microsoft. Think of it like a giant digital phone book for a company's network. It stores information about users, computers, printers, and other resources. And it controls who gets access to what. Here's a simple way to think about it. Imagine a large office building. You need a key card to get through certain doors. Some people can access the server room, others can only get into the break room. Active Directory is a system that decides who gets which key card, and it manages all of that from one central place. It was first introduced with Windows 2000 Server, and it has been the backbone of enterprise IT environments ever since. Now, let's look at the building blocks of Active Directory. First, there's the domain. A domain is basically a boundary, a group of users, computers, and resources that are all managed together under one roof. For example, a company called Contoso might have a domain called contoso.com. Next is the domain controller. This is the server that runs Active Directory. It's the authority. It authenticates users when they log in and enforces security policies across the network. If the domain controller goes down, nobody's logging in. That's why most organizations have more than one. Then you have organizational units, or OEOs. These are like folders inside your domain. You might have an OU for the sales department, one for HR, one for IT. This makes it easier to apply policies and manage groups of users separately. And finally, there's the forest and tree structure. A forest is the top-level container in Active Directory. It can hold multiple domains that share a common configuration. A tree is a collection of domains within that forest that share a common namespace. You don't need to memorize all of this right now, but it's good to know these terms exist as your network grows. So, what does Active Directory actually do day to day? 3 big things: authentication, authorization, and policy management. Authentication is how Active Directory verifies who you are. When you type in your username and password at a Windows login screen, Active Directory checks its database and says, yes, this person is who they say they are, or it denies access. Authorization is what happens next. Once you're verified, Active Directory determines what you're allowed to do. Can you access the shared drive? Can you install software? Can you see the finance folder? All of that is controlled through Active Directory permissions. Group policy is how IT administrators push settings out to hundreds or even thousands of computers at once. Need to enforce a password complexity requirement across the entire company? Done. Want to block USB drives on every machine? Done. Group policy makes it possible without touching each computer individually. You might have also heard the term Azure Active Directory, now rebranded as Microsoft Entra ID. So what's the difference? Traditional Active Directory runs on premises, meaning it lives on servers inside your company's building. Azure Active Directory, or Entra ID, is the cloud-based version. It's designed for managing access to cloud apps like Microsoft, 365, Salesforce, and thousands of other services. Many modern organizations use both together in what's called a hybrid environment, where your on-premises Active Directory syncs with Entra ID in the cloud, giving you the best of both worlds. Whether you're aiming for the CompTIA Security Plus, Microsoft AZ900, SC900, or the MD102, Active Directory concepts show up everywhere in IT certifications. And in the real world, almost every mid-sized to large company uses it. Knowing how to navigate, troubleshoot, and manage Active Directory is one of the most in-demand skills you can have as an IT professional. So to recap, Active Directory is Microsoft's directory service that manages users, computers, and access across a network. It handles authentication, authorization, and policy enforcement, and it's the foundation of enterprise IT environments worldwide. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. I put out IT guides and study resources regularly. And if you want to go deeper, I've got study guides available in my Etsy store. Link is in the description. I'll see you in the next one.